How to fix keeps dropping calls in Oppo Reno 14F. So let's start the video. First of all, reinsert your SIM card. After reinsert your SIM card, then open settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option system and update. Now click on it and then click on software update. Now here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After update a latest version, then go back and click on backup and reset and click on reset phone, and on top you can see the option reset network settings. Now click on it and here enter your password for reset your network settings. After reset your network settings, then go back to your home screen and restart your device. For restart your device, press the hold power button and swipe up for restart your device. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.